All right, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing the Hanky Panky, all right? So let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we are gonna need is 45 mils of a gin, 45 mils Sweet Vermouth, and then 2 dashes of Fernet Branca. We're gonna give that a good stir, whip out our Nick and Nora, pour it in there, and we're gonna garnish it off with an orange twist. That is all it is, guys. Literally the 3 ingredients, very, very simple. And 2 of them are exactly the same, like, amounts, right? Same measures. Plus 2 dashes of Fernet. Who doesn't love Fernet? It's delicious shit. As far as the cocktail goes, created by Ada Coleman in the American bar at the Savoy Hotel in London. She created it for Sir Charles Hawtrey, who was a famous actor, and it was created back in the early 1900s. Ada was actually working at that bar during between like 1905 to like 1923 or something like that. So that's when we could guesstimate when this was created, okay? As for the cocktail though, like very, very simple to make, super simple to make. Depending on your ingredients, it's gonna be delicious as well. Okay, because this is 45 mils of gin and 45 mils of Sweet Vermouth, pretty much, that's pretty much all it is, right? You're gonna wanna make sure that you choose a Sweet Vermouth that you really enjoy, and then of course pick a gin you enjoy. But the Sweet Vermouth on this one is very, very important. The 2 dashes of Fernet are actually really nice because it's not like an in-your-face kind of a thing like a lot of Fernet cocktails. They're very, very in the background, and what they do is they kind of just offer a slight mintiness that would, for me, it comes in underneath the Vermouth, okay? So nice, enjoyable cocktail. Not my personal go-to, but I do enjoy it. I would easily make this again and again. But that's all that I have for you today, guys. Very simple, very quick. As always, like to get to the point, right? If you like what I do on this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any cocktails you think I should do, let me know. I'll try and work them in, all right? But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.